In this demo, we will show you how to automate against a web application in multiple browsers with ZAPTEST. We will start with a web app in Internet Explorer. Click the Scan GUI button in ZAPTEST to collect all the objects from the application. Then let's keep only the objects that we need for testing. Save the object repository and close the workbench. We can now use these objects to form our script logic. Simply drag the saved object from the GUI map to the script view and select the method of operation against this object. Let's repeat this step for password field and then the logic button. Let's also encrypt the password for security. As the last step, let's select the launch method to instruct ZAPTEST to launch the Internet Explorer browser and navigate to our web app. To make this script run on more than one browser, we can parametrize the browser by using the data table. As simple as this, we now have 2 iterations for 2 browsers. Let's click Run. The script now runs on Internet Explorer browser, and then the second iteration starts and runs on Chrome browser. When done, the generated results will show 2 iterations, one for the Internet Explorer and the other one for Chrome browser. Download ZAPTEST to get started today.